What's up, fellow Craymanes? Here's how you can get the Masked Liberator's leather gloves in Crimson Desert. For this, you'll need to have some keys you could buy from the back alley shop in Hernand, which can also be looted from bandits or any other outlaw enemies. This piece of light armor gives Cliff 17 points in attack and 8 points in defense, with a level 2 critical rate and level 1 lightning resistance. For Abyss Gears, it offers 3 more points in defense and a 2% boost to stamina regen. They're located under the Crimson Desert's Tash Gulp area to the east in Firesand Helmhole. They barely align vertically with the Crimson Desert's 2-letter S's, and its horizontal line just sits above the Tash Gulp label. The area might have a few enemies, so prepare to clear them out. And once that's done, just look for this building with the only wooden door. Use the key to open it, and inside is the chest. Loot it, and you've got the gloves. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.